So guys, we're here at the New Clark City Aquatic Center. So pakita ko sa inyo dito yung features ng Aquatic Center. So we're here inside of the Aquatic Center of the New Clark City.
The New Clark City Aquatic Center here in Capas Tarlac is designed by Architect Royal Pineda, Principal Architect and CEO of Royal Pineda Plus. The floor area of the Aquatic Center, the lower ground floor, is 4,624 square meters, while the upper ground floor is 1,320 square meters. The VIP box is 441 square meters. The bleachers area is 1,100 square meters. The full area with decks is 5,768 square meters. The Aquatic Center composes of 3 pool. One competition pool with the size of 50 meter by 25 meter. One diving pool with the size of 25 meter by 25 meters. And one training pool 50 meters by 25 meters. The total enclosed area is 3,800 square meter. The seating capacity is 2,000 spectators. Here's an open view of Tarlac and Zambales mountain ranges. The construction began last January 2018 and completed last October of 2019. The materials predominantly used in the structures are precast concrete and steel, sandwich panel, and UPVC roofing. The design concept of the structure is fish fen or baklad. It is a local fish trap. The facade of the Aquatic Center. The design consists of huge open shed with a prismatic roof similar to a parol, made of capiz coating. As you walk along the pathway, you will see the signages to guide you in the facilities. Now, as you walk along the Clark New City, this is the athletic stadium. So you will see here the other administrative buildings in the area. So these are part of the New Clark City development here in Capas Tarlac. Then some other administrative building, as you can see here, adjacent to the athletic stadium. Now, as we move forward, here we are going inside the athletic stadium. The New Clark City Athletic Stadium, also referred to as New Clark Stadium, is a multi-purpose stadium located at the New Clark City in Capas Tarlac, Philippines. It is the primary venue of the New Clark City Sports Hub, which is part of the National Government Administrative Center. It hosted athletics events and the closing ceremony of the 2019 Southeast Asian Games. Built on 2019, the stadium, with seats on footprints of 25,000 square meters, has a seating capacity for 20,000 people and has 21 rows of seats. Now, this is a facade of the Athletes Village and the residences. Now, this is the highlights of chronological construction development of the New Clark City here in Capas Tarlac, Philippines. I'm Architect Jojo, joyfully sharing with you the new Clark City here in Capas Tarlac, Philippines. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.